Have you ever tried to work with timestamps, only to find yourself lost in a sea of numbers? It can be really confusing, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to simplify casting Unix time to a readable date format in Presto. I totally get it. Working with timestamps stored in milliseconds since epoch can feel like deciphering a secret code. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people face the same challenge when trying to convert these timestamps into a human-friendly date format. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I query and display timestamps stored in milliseconds since epoch as a date like YYYMDD in Presto? If this sounds familiar, stick around as we explore the solution together. So what's the deal with Unix time? Unix time counts the number of seconds that have elapsed since January 1st, 1970 at midnight UTC. When stored in milliseconds, it can be tricky to convert it into a standard date format. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And make sure to stay with us until the end. I have a quick tip that will make your date formatting in Presto even easier. To convert Unix time to a date format in Presto, the user should start by using the from Unix time function. This function converts the Unix timestamp from seconds to a date format. Next, the user needs to format the date to match the desired output. They can achieve this by using the date format function in conjunction with from Unix time. After formatting the date, the user can run the query to retrieve the results. This will display the timestamps in the YYYMD format as required. Finally, the user should verify the output to ensure the dates are displayed correctly. They can check the results in their query interface. Fun fact, did you know that Unix time is often used in programming because it provides a simple way to track time? It's like a universal clock for computers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves converting epoch time in milliseconds to seconds by dividing by 1000. They suggest using the function date from Unix time with the minimum timestamp divided by 1000. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the format datetime function to convert Unix time to a date format. You can achieve this by using the from Unix time function along with format datetime. Additionally, if you prefer a different method, you can cast the result directly to a date. This will give you a timestamp with a time component. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to divide your Unix timestamp by 1000 when using it in Presto. This converts milliseconds to seconds, making your conversions accurate. And there you have it. You can now easily convert Unix time to a readable date format in Presto. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into data manipulation.